If Lightroom is showing error 0xc00007b, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest and safest fixes step by step. This error usually happens because of missing or corrupted Visual C++ files, DirectX issues, or a mismatch between 32-bit and 64-bit components. The good news is that you can usually fix it without needing advanced technical skills. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this one. Let's start with the most important fix first, which is installing Microsoft Visual C++. This is the #1 thing Lightroom needs to launch properly, and if these files are broken or missing, the app can fail with error 0xc00007b. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 redistributable from the official Microsoft website. Download both versions, the x64 version and the x86 version. Even if you are on a 64-bit computer, you should still install both, because some apps use different versions of these system files. Once both files are downloaded, run the installers one by one and complete the setup. After that, restart your PC. This restart is important because Windows needs to properly load the updated runtime files before Lightroom tries to open again. If the error is still there, the next step is to reinstall DirectX. Lightroom can depend on graphics-related system files, and if they are damaged, this error can appear. Search for Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime on the official Microsoft site and download the installer. Run it, finish the installation, and then restart your computer again. Even though this step is simple, it can solve a lot of launch problems. Now try opening Lightroom by running it as an administrator. Right-click the Lightroom shortcut or executable, then choose Run as Administrator. This gives the program the permissions it may need to access the files it relies on. If Lightroom opens normally this time, then the issue may have been permission-related. If it still fails, the next step is a clean reinstall of Lightroom. First, uninstall Lightroom completely from your computer. If possible, also remove any leftover Adobe components related to the app. Then reinstall Lightroom fresh from Adobe Creative Cloud. A clean reinstall helps replace damaged program files that could be triggering the 0xc00007b error. And if you're still seeing the same problem after all of that, it's time for one final repair step. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scannow, then press Enter. This runs the system file checker and looks for corrupted Windows files. Let it finish completely, and if it finds problems, allow Windows to repair them. If the issue continues even after that, your Windows installation may need an update or repair. At that point, a Windows repair install can fix deeper system problems that affect Lightroom and other apps. So to quickly recap, install Visual C++ 2015 to 2022 in both x64 and x86. Restart your PC, reinstall DirectX, run Lightroom as administrator, do a clean reinstall if needed, and finally use sfc/scannow if the error persists. That sequence fixes most Lightroom error 0xc00007b errors. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.